Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am your teacher, Database Systems teacher Alia Batul Zadi with lecture number 32. Students, in the previous lecture, we discussed different aspects of security, controls of security. Students, इसी लेक्चर को मज़ीद आगे बढ़ाते हैं. And today's lecture is database security and authentication. Students, हमने database security को बहुत अच्छे से देखा. जनरल लाइफ में भी हमने उसका ओवरव्यू देखा एंड डेटाबेस सिक्योरिटी के हवाले से उसकी डिफरेंट प्रिविलेजेस कंट्रोल्स को रीड किया. स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम देखते हैं कि व्हाट इज़ ऑथेंटिकेशन एंड ऑथराइजेशन. स्टूडेंट्स, ऑथेंटिकेशन इज़ अ प्रोसेस ऑफ डिटरमिनिंग द आइडेंटिटी ऑफ द यूज़र. सी हियर, जब भी आप भी किसी फॉर्म को लॉगिन करते हैं, दिस इज़ द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ ऑथेंटिकेशन. ऑथेंटिकेशन मीन्स हु आर यू, एंड ऑथराइजेशन is a process of granting a right to access a system or system's object. Means authorization mean what permissions do you have. Okay, let's start our lecture with database security. A little bit view of security again. Protection from malicious attempts to steal or modify data. Malicious attempts mean बहुत सारे, जैसे आजकल आपने देखा हैकर्स, अनऑथराइज्ड यूज़र्स किसी ना किसी तरह से आपकी डेटाबेस को नुकसान पहुंचाने की कोशिश करते हैं. We will protect our database from these threats. Okay, see, look at this slide. What is security and authentication? Security definition, as discussed earlier, data security refers to protective digital privacy measures that are applied to prevent unauthorized access to computers, databases, and websites. While authentication definition, it is a process of recognizing a user's identity. It is a mechanism of associating an incoming request with a set of identifying credentials. Students, the authorization control can be built in the software. It determines the level of access for a user to different objects in the database. What is a different, दो वर्ड बार बार हम इस लेक्चर में यूज़ करेंगे, ऑथेंटिकेशन, ऑथराइजेशन. जैसे अभी हमने प्रीवियस स्लाइड में देखा कि ऑथेंटिकेशन पूछती है हु आर यू, ऑथराइजेशन कहती है व्हाट परमिशंस डू यू हैव. सो डिफरेंस है इन दोनों में. ऑथेंटिकेशन वेरीफाइज यू आर हु यू से यू आर. Clear? And authentication decides if you have permissions to access a resource. These are the methods of authentication and authorization. Students, 4 key terms of authentication. Data security is also known as information security or computer security. Introduction to user authentication. A basic security requirement is that you must know your users. You must identify them before you can determine their privileges and access rights, and so that you can audit their actions upon the data. Passwords for authentication, like आप ATM मशीन पे जाते हैं, आपके कार्ड का एक पासवर्ड है, आप सिस्टम लॉगिन करते हैं, पासवर्ड है, Without password, you cannot access your system. Passwords are one of the basic forms of authentication. A user must provide the correct password when establishing a connection. Strong authentication. What is this? Strong authentication has important advantages. More choices of authentication mechanisms are available, such as smart cards, Kerberos, or the operating system. Many network authentication services, such as Kerberos and data communication equipment, support single sign-on. What is proxy authentication and authorization? Students, it enables the database administrator to regulate which users are allowed to access the database server through a given application. Proxy, given application. बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स प्रॉक्सी के थ्रू एक्सेस करते हैं इंटरनेट. It enables the administrator to audit actions of the application acting on behalf of a given user. Data privacy. Students, बहुत से जो वेरिएशंस हैं आप देख सकते हैं, लाइक स्टैटिस्टिक्स, डाटा माइनिंग, थ्योरेटिकल CS और क्रिप्टोग्राफी. The security of the location where the database is stored. जिस स्पेसिफिक फाइल में आपने रखी है, जिस स्पेसिफिक फोल्डर में आपने रखी है, आप उसको भी सिक्योर करें. Even if you know that the contents of a database file are safe, if the file is stored in a location that is not fully secured, someone might introduce unsafe content into the database. You should be careful when deciding to trust database files that are stored in locations that might not be secure. As we discussed in the previous lecture, why need database security? If there is no security to database, what happens? It may be easily corrupted. It is important to restrict access to the database from authorized users to protect sensitive data. What are the levels of data security? Human level, network level, database application programs, database system, operating system, and on the physical level. What is the physical operating system security? Traditional log and key security, protection from floods, fire. फिजिकल की बात हो रही है ना स्टूडेंट्स. प्रोटेक्शन फ्रॉम एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर एरर. सोल्यूशन इसका हमारे पास रिमोट बैकअप्स फॉर डिजास्टर रिकवरी हो सकता है. हम पीरियडिकल बैकअप्स जो हैं वो क्रिएट कर लेते हैं, या हम किसी टेप ड्राइव्स, DVDs वगैरह में अपने डाटा को सिक्योर करने के लिए उसकी एक कॉपी रख लेते हैं. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम लेवल पे प्रोटेक्ट फ्रॉम वायरस और वॉर्म्स अटैक्स. सिक्योरिटी एट द डाटाबेस. What are the mechanism, authentication and authorization mechanisms to allow specific users access only to required data? Authentication. Who are you? Prove it. Like in this picture. It is funny, but he will ask, who are you? Prove it. Authorization. What you are allowed to do. Security policies. Database security officers secures the database system and data. Work with the database administrator. Security policy. Collection of standards, policies, procedures to guarantee security. Ensures auditing and compliance. Security audit process identifies security vulnerabilities. Security pearls. Backup key files. Use encryption on sensitive data. Use good passwords. Network security requires expertise like authentication, encryption, and firewalls. Students, example of user authentication like password. Most users abuse passwords. For example, easy to guess password. Normally लोग जो हैं अपना पासवर्ड जो है अपने नेम से रख देते हैं, पासवर्ड को पासवर्ड ही पासवर्ड बोल देते हैं. कुछ लोगों के लकी नंबर्स होते हैं तो ये गेस हो जाते हैं. समटाइम आपने श्योर किया पासवर्ड, इस तरह से भी जो पासवर्ड है लीक हो सकता है, अब यूज़ हो सकता है. लाइक आपका स्मार्ट कार्ड है, स्मार्ट कार्ड की पिन जो है वो शेयर हो सकती है. आपने किसी को एक दफ़ा बताइए, आपने उससे आपकी ऑथेंटिकेशन प्रॉब्लम्स आ सकती हैं. So we conclude our lecture. The goal of database security is to protect your critical and confidential data from unauthorized access. Each organization should have a data security policy, which is a set of high-level guidelines determined by user requirement, environmental aspects, internal regulations, and government laws. I hope it will be understandable to you. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.